We're diving into DARPA's latest technological breakthrough, the XRQ-73 SHEPARD. This aircraft is designed with hybrid electric propulsion architecture and advanced component technology for defense missions. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for the latest updates from us. The SHEPARD program is part of DARPA's X-Prime initiative, aimed at rapidly maturing new aircraft designs. Steve Comodina, the SHEPARD program manager, explains that the main goal of this program is to take emerging technologies and mitigate system-level integration risks. This means we could see new aircraft ready for deployment in no time. The XRQ-73 will be a Group 3 UAS weighing around 250 pounds and using a hybrid electric propulsion system. This system not only enhances flight efficiency but also extends mission duration. Imagine an aircraft that can fly longer and farther with lower energy consumption. This is a significant leap in military aviation technology. Additionally, the XRQ-73 will be equipped with stealth features and advanced avionics designed to enhance its operational capabilities. These stealth features allow the aircraft to evade enemy radar detection, while advanced avionics provide more precise control and navigation. This makes the XRQ-73 a versatile asset for various defense applications. The SHEPARD program also leverages several technologies from the previous AFR-LIARPA Great Horned Owl project. This shows that DARPA continues to build on existing innovations and integrate them into more advanced designs. The XRQ-73's maiden flight is expected by the end of 2024. Let's eagerly await the debut of this advanced aircraft. So that's a brief overview of the XRQ-73 SHEPARD, DARPA's latest UAS, promising numerous innovations in military technology. Don't forget to leave a comment below and let us know your thoughts on this advanced technology. See you in the next video.